The Mount Pro single long monitor arm stands out for its extra long reach, making it ideal for deep desks, while freeing a large amount of usable workspace for keyboards, mice, and laptops. It supports a wide range of flat or gently curved screens from 13 to 32 inch with standard VESA mounting patterns, so it works smoothly with most popular monitor brands. The arm offers generous tilt, swivel, and full rotation, allowing you to fine-tune the viewing angle or switch between landscape and portrait layouts without fuss. A taller, central pole lets you raise the screen significantly higher than many competing mounts, which helps bring the display closer to eye level and reduces neck and back strain over long days. The gas spring mechanism has been endurance tested for many thousands of movements, giving the arm a reassuringly solid feel when you reposition the monitor and helping it stay where you set it. Thoughtful touches, like integrated cable routing and the choice of either desk clamp or grommet mounting, make installation straightforward and keep the finished setup looking clean and professional.